In order to work, the robotic lawnmower needs a boundary wire and a guide wire. The boundary wire defines the mowing area for the mower. The sensor on the mower detects the signal from the charging station as soon as it approaches the wire. When it crosses over the boundary wire, it turns and continues working. If the mower needs to be recharged, the guide wire shows it the way back to the charging station. Before laying the boundary wire, make sure that the guide wire is connected to the boundary wire at a central point. The guide wire can also be used to guide the mower into specific areas of the garden.